how you can add server stats on Discord. So for that case, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go ahead and open up your server, any of it, and then when you open up the server, you should be able to see the arrow icon next to it. Go to server settings. When you're on the server settings, go to app section and go to app directories. Over here, you need to type in server stats. When you actually locate server stats, go ahead and press that, and here you just have to go ahead and click on add apps. When you actually do this, you need to go ahead and select the server where you actually want to add it. Click the continue button. Make sure to go through all of these or confirm that you want to grant server stats the following permission. If you're sure about it, then click on authorize located right at the bottom, and you need to confirm that you're human or not. Once you've done that, once again you could go ahead and set that. Go to the server once again, and here you can see that you've successfully added server stats on your Discord account. So in this simple way, you should be able to complete the procedure. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.